Okay, there we have it, guys. We're back. Sorry for that inconvenience. We just had some network issues. For some reason, my network just went black. So I had to set it up again. And we're back. We're live. And oh yeah, that's right. Gotta make the poll. Let's actually make a new poll. I'm gonna pin our Discord server. We'll make a new poll for this. Now we should be online with no issues whatsoever. Full screen that. I can see that's running. This is running as well. Close that. Let's start that up. Okay, let's see. Perfection. Start that up. I swear, if this is just crashing because of this firewall, I will get mad. And it shouldn't crash because this isn't a NAT. So it's separated. Let's make a new poll. Okay. Okay, that's stream. We have service again. Okay, there we go, there we go. Now I figure it out. It's this thing. Okay, I'm gonna run this, not here. I'm gonna run it on another virtual machine. Okay, there we go. That's what we want. Build a PC. Let's see, the poll begin. Oh, this one's gonna be in there. Do you guys prefer to build a PC, like buy it, and then install it yourself, or pre-builds? Come on, let the voting begin for that. Now, you know what, it's like this is gonna keep messing up my network, so I'm gonna just do it off the product server. So let's just run that. Fail. Can't access that. Are you sure? Are my drives mounted? They're supposed to be mounted. They're not mounted. I will get mad again. This is mounted. It is there, the Promox data. It says here. Oh, the location is wrong. Okay, that's alright. I'll just switch the location, edit, yeah. Yes, but the location needs to be changed. So we'll just do that with this. No such file. That's alright. I just gotta change the path of this. The path that has the Promox data is mount server. Yeah, that's all that I gotta do. Server. There we go. Apply that and turn it on. And we're online. Yeah, we really shouldn't have any issues now. And there we go. We are, oh wait a second. The NIC. Okay, yeah, we're on the correct NIC. So that means we can boot it up. Yeah, we can replace it. Doesn't want to view it. And there we have the access. Now since the firewall is giving us so much issues, now I just noticed it's what literally timed out my service. So I'm gonna have to do the firewall here. But what, I don't want to make it from scratch. Is it possible to migrate it or move it? I did see the option here that says, where was it that I saw it? Hashtag, what is the hashtag? Okay, baby, it virtual machines. Oh god, okay, import. No, we don't want to import, we want to export it out of here to Promox. Okay, how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this? I remember there's an area that you can migrate, but I don't see it now. Maybe if I see this one, options, this is to clone, detach. Because we got the VLAN to work. That's actually really good. Now we want to make a save point. Maybe I have an option here to actually do it manually. Oh no, I don't want to do it manually. It's going to take more time. It's going to take time to find this as well. Storage. The network. Yes, that's right. These are my permissions. Actually, I'm not editing myself. That's alright. We should see here different services. But that will look applications. Yes, here we go. Oh gosh, I'm yawning. We have that, we have that, we have that. Component for pod mount containers. No. Okay. There shouldn't be any software updates. We should all be good. Yeah, just wait for that to finish. Okay, system update, update history, Discord. Ah, that's right, I did an update there earlier. Okay, now that we're done with that, yeah, this didn't work. We'll just remove it. This little test did not work how I wanted it to work. Wait, you're serious? Because it's unlocked? I cannot. VM is locked. I cannot destroy it. Task error. Oh my god. Okay, Promox, he says, gave me something new to bug with. STP ten dot 100.100. Did I put that wrong? Files, network, FTPS. Oh, whoops, I put it wrong. Invalid what? File transfer protocol. File transfer FTPS that / Promox is 1010 100 100. Ah, no, wait. We just need to put this. What do you mean it's invalid? FTP FTPS .44. Okay, I don't remember then. Sudo zipper install FileZilla. Yes, please. Okay. Ten dot 100. What? Quit connect. What do you mean? There we go. This is not working for me. Wanted to use that, but whatever. Okay, Promox lock VM delete. QM unlock. Really? Just like that? Okay then. Shell QM 102 unlock. QM unlock. Oh, QM 102. Ah, sweet, that worked. Now then, remove. Okay. Remove. Okay, that's working. Okay, now we gotta do the same thing for this one. Keep on unlock number 3 and number 4. Oh, that's incredibly convenient. Exit. Remove 103. One zero four. Okay, now we're just gonna try to. I don't think I could. Don't need this. Okay, I could try to migrate the disk to Promax using FileZilla, or I could use another way. I remember there's an option to migrate. Damn it. Oh, I can't remember which one it was. KVM, make sure tunnel migration works. Main tunnel. Relocation server. No, this is not what I'm looking for. FTP server. I should actually make one since I am passing files one way to another. So I am gonna configure this. Oh god, is it installing? Whenever you're ready. Okay, it's an active, keep current state actually, general, welcome message, hi, it's your files. Directory for anonymous, authenticated users. Wait, did it crash? It crashed? Okay, I'll just get the pad that I need. We're gonna use the pad. No, let's use the old drive pad. I'm just gonna put this pad. This is actually an ISO. I need to download a few other things. And add a few other things. So split this. Okay, go to downloads. Okay, do we have that there? No. Add that there. Yeah, no, copy that there. Okay, sweet. Now we need we can add that there too. Copy that. Oh, we already have it? Then no. Okay, this stuff. Copy there. Okay, perfect. Now let's just copy this path. Close that out. General, yeah. My ISO files. The authenticated users, that's gonna be the directory. Performance, authentication, enable upload. Oh yes, wait. Expert settings, yes. Enable passive, SSL. No, that's alright. Okay, there we have that set up. Start at the reboot. Start on boot. Yep. Now I need to change my theme. Come on. Okay, so that means it's working. So if I were to go to a virtual machine right now and start that one up, and oh no, I don't think this one would actually work. Would it work? Well, it is on the host, so it should work. It should. Well, let's see if we can pin it first. I'm pretty sure we can. Let's see. Okay, what's my IP for this? Console IPA. I could put it static, but I just forget to do that part. 23, okay. So pin 10.10.0.023. Okay, yeah, we have service. So that means on Windows, go to network discovery is off, turn that on, yes, make it discoverable. This PC, computer, add a network location, yeah, choose FTP site, so examples, FTP dot FTP dot // so I guess we would put it like this, 10.0.0.23. Browse. I could just put the files normally and that's it. So many ways to do this. Okay, never mind. We'll just put this. What's the pad again? Mount all drive ISOs. num slash old underscore drive slash isos max. Come on. You can do it. Do I need to pin this one? Fifteen, 15, 15, 20, 59. Copy. And yeah, we can pin each other. So that's supposed to work. Aha! There we go. Let's do it with the username. Max. My god, why is it freezing itself? There we go. So it does work. Max. I don't know why it's being so slow. Maybe I just need to upgrade this. I'll give it more memory or something. Okay, perfect. Okay, at least it's working. Okay, there it added it. Now open that up. Any minute now. What do you mean? When it's gonna ask, make sure you type the file name correctly or the permissions. Oh my god, but that's why it's asking us for a password. Give me the password. Oh, screw you. Okay. This PC. Delete. File. Add a network location. Yes. That one. Next. Whenever you're ready. Okay, well that tries to load. To go back here. Log on anonymously. Okay, reload the settings. This is not working. It's active. Okay, change this so both of these have that, and finish. Okay, there we go. Now it's set to anonymous. Oh my god, is the PC being slow? Okay, no, it's the connection. There we go. Open it up. We can reply each other. There shouldn't be any issues. Jeez. I like virtual machines, but sometimes a virtual machine is a virtual machine is just slow as hell. Oh, come on! What am I missing from here? Okay, you know what? Samba server it is. Domain, workgroup or domain? No, domain, workgroup. Keep it on start, shares. Okay, add, share name will be ISOs, share description, my ISO files, it will be a directory. Does that really crashes? Ah! Oh my god. The file you have associated is blah 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 blah. Delete. Workgroup, yes. Go back to the file that I want. This is the mount point. Give me that. FTP server. We are not gonna enable this. Disable this. To anybody that's new to the stream, I welcome you. You have any computer issues or problems? Oh gosh. Ask away in the chat. Don't hesitate. Me, I'm just building my own problems. After writing configuration, no, stop it. Do not start. Finish it. Here we go. Start it up. On boot. Shares. Add one. ISOs. My ISO files. Pad. That's the pad. Okay. There it is. Toggle status. Rename. Oh no, that's fine. Edit. Yes. That's what we want. No. Okay, that's good. Start up. Yeah, that's on boot. Workgroup, domain controller, not a DC. Trusted domains, LDBE. Okay, done. So now this should actually see that. The Samba should supposed to see that. The status is says it's disabled. Toggle status enable. There. Okay. Go back again. ISO enable. Okay, perfect. Now get out of here. Now then, let's find the SMB in this case. No, it's 10.0.0.23. Wait, I didn't make a user. Will it use a default user for this? Come on, then. I don't get that. We can pin him. You can see us. Network pad not found. Restart yourself. User login management. Computer name. Allow the main user enable. There is no domain. Edit. Extended options. Add. Edit what? Enable domain that does user search. Cancel. Full computer name. Change. Okay. It keeps pointing me here. VPN gateway and clients. VPN. A new VPN. Okay. Samba server is supposed to be working. It says it's enabled the status of this. Edit. Read only no. Add. Select option to add. User, username, Jeffrey. Admin user. Actually, no, wait, I think that's enough. Okay. Guest access. Add to running configuration. Maybe I need to reboot it. Okay. This is missing drivers. Backslash. .23. Okay, I can see that this just doesn't want to work for me, honestly. This crap does not want to work. Ah, oh, come on. That's already turned on. Wait, are the services running? That's right, this is not like Windows. Services Manager. Samba, samba, samba. Samba sounds like salsa. Services. Is the samba services running? Come on, show me that. Show me the services. Show me the services. Whenever you're freaking ready. Okay. Who is dead? Somebody. This is dead. Why I changed this to boot up? Samba. Samba. AD. So that's it, it's not enable? No. I think we're missing. Put it straight. Samba, 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 samba. These are the only ones that say there are samba. Okay. Start that one up. And start that one up. Show details. Samba configuration. Yes, it's this thing. And this one, show details. Okay. Apply. Yes. Writing could not start. Yes. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh, my brain is killing me. It's just supposed to be a simple turn it off button and just configure it. Why won't you configure yourself? Samba. Active. That one's running. This one on boot. That one failed. Okay, yes. Oh, come on. Okay, I need to see the log, the journal, why did it fail? Show me why did it fail, please. Why did this one fail? Show details. Okay, at this time, failed to start somebody that misconfigured server row and exit. Sample binary, server row. You should start instead of domain controller. Start SMB. Oh. SMB. Well, that one's enabled. Right? Is that the one that I'm looking at? You should start. SMBD. You should start SMBD instead of domain. Okay, well yeah, this is not a domain. At least for now, it's not one. Okay. So we don't need this. Do it manually, yep. The SMB that's turned on is active, it's on boot. Show details of that. A no parameter encountered, username. Okay, now I'm seeing the bigger picture. Okay, so that means this worked, but I gotta change that setting. Edit. Instead of username, I delete that. Yeah. Add option. It needs to be a user. It needs to be browsable. Browsable. Yes. Make it browsable. Add. Allow. Create mode. No, that's not it. That's not it either. Group. No. Guess is okay. No. Writable. Okay, user. Now add myself there. And okay that. Status is enabled. And now okay. Now write that. Go back here. Put that again. Enter. should work. If not, then I'm doing it a very easier way. To anybody new to the stream, I welcome you. You have any computer issues or problem? Ask away. Me, I am just solving my own crazy little issues that take minutes, but it's actually taking hours. Now this SMD folder is not working. Oh my god. Cannot access. IP, IPP, IP. 10.0.0.3.23 10.0.0.23 CMD pin 10.10.10.23. We have reply. We shouldn't have any issues with that, but we're still having stupidity issues. Same goes with the machine. I can pin the machine as well. I know it's in a NAT, but it's on the host. It shouldn't give us NAT issues. Hold up a second. It shouldn't give us NAT issues, but is it actually giving us NAT issues because of that? No, it can't be because of that. I don't think it can't be because it's not separate. If it was separate, then I could not connect to it, not even get a reply. Okay, you know what? It doesn't matter. I know how to do it in a faster way. Using an ISO is faster with this. Now then, I'm just gonna turn this one off, and I'm gonna do this a different freaking way. Oh no, wait, it's not here. What? Yes, abort. We don't need to use this right now. Let's go back to the Promax server. And we'll see us create a new ISO. Yeah, do Windows 11. I can see people have voted on the poll, and right now build a PC is winning. I see, the people know. They know what they want. Building a PC. Not buying pre-builds. Easier, faster solution. Yes, how it was intended. Do it yourself. Do it yourself, and everything will work. Okay, data VM. I forgot the drivers. I've been gone. Oh, I'm gonna have to do this over again. Got my stick. Create that. Okay, create this. Give it an ISO, give it a name. John Wick, I came across this channel. Hey John, how's it going? Thanks for joining again, man. What's up? Yeah, put that. Give it that. No pre-roll keys. I'm glad you came back, John. Ask any questions you want. What? You're gonna do that? Oh, I love. Oh, I would really appreciate that, man. That really means a lot to me if you do that. Let's use. Thank you, John. I really appreciate that, man. I'm just here trying to grow and spread my awareness of computer problems to anybody that needs them. And if I do get an idea, then I'll just make videos out of it. I haven't made any videos so far because I haven't had any new brainstorming ideas to upload. But still, thanks John, your support is highly appreciated. If you want, you can join our Discord server as well. I made a community server, so anybody that wants to like have any ideas or issues or guides that they want to share, everybody will collaborate. Up to you if you want, entirely optional. It just supports the channel so it can keep growing. One viewer recommended to me like, hey, do you have a Discord server? I'm like, no, I don't. I didn't think people would actually have much need of that, but I already set it up and everything. Okay, start it up. Advance. Turn that on. Give it 10 gigs. Is that too much? Okay. How much does this promo have? Summary, the book. Ah, yeah, it has plenty. Start this system up. Just an advice, if you don't have any videos uploaded, why don't you start with basics? Well, I do have videos uploaded. Like my videos are guides. If you look into my channel, inside in videos, you'll see I have plenty of videos. Now I'm pretty sure if you see one of them, you might find them extremely useful. What the heck happened here? Check them out. If one of them, I'm pretty sure one of them might actually help you. What? Yeah, thank you. Why is this failing? BNC proxy. Failed to run BNC proxy. Okay. Wait. I know why it's failing. It's the CPU. That's why it's failing. We don't have Intel. We have AMD. Make it think you have an Athlon Intel. Now start that up. It fell. Okay. And make it think you have this one. I just want to try all of them. Oh, that one worked. Oh, sweet. There we go. Press any key. Let's put the system up. But still, John, I appreciate that you gave me that advice. If you guys have any other suggestions that you would like to see, you can leave a request on the Discord server as well if you want. Because the way that I make videos is straight to the point guide of computers. That's the way that I make videos. I try to make them all straight to the point, so there's no confusion for anything. Like, you want this to work, it will work for you. That's my gimmick, I would say, or my nick. I just needed an advice. I'll be starting my Mac-E course next year. I'm not sure what kind of laptop I should buy. Okay, well. In that case, you're just looking like for like a laptop to for documents mostly, I'm guessing, right? To browse, navigate, not to do like intensive. Or do you actually just want to get like something that does everything? Like, I know there'll be some heavy software like Auto CAD. That sounds familiar. Auto CAD. Is that the one that I'm thinking about? Auto CAD. Ah, yes. Okay. Okay, this is to make. Okay, I see what you mean now. Laptop. Okay. Did you have any laptop in mind so far? Have you already looked into any specific laptops that you've been told? Like, if you want a laptop that's gonna handle programs like that one, it doesn't have to be extremely powerful, but just enough to run it. No, I'm a newbie at this. Oh, okay, yeah, so you're totally new. Okay, well, in that case, like, mostly the site that I always like to buy computer parts would be always Newegg. This is usually my main, this is the site that I would always go to buy computer pieces, laptops, everything. Great site, excellent customer service. So for laptops, where's the laptop section here? Computers, system. Here we go. All laptops. So since you want like something to run that program, you don't need something that really beefy. You could get something like, no, not that one, not that one, not that one. I lost it. In stock. Now you could get, does this have what we need? No. Like, do you have a budget? Really depends on what you're mostly looking for. For that program out to CAD, you don't need something like really excessive. Something like a AMD Ryzen or a Intel i7. But do you have a budget? A budget won't be a problem, but not too high. Okay. In that case, then in that case it's not too high, then no, not that one, not that one, not that one. No. This is once a possibility, but okay, yeah, this one's a possibility, but it's a little bit expensive. No, I would say where is it? I saw it earlier today. Okay, it needs to have a graphics driver. Let's actually filter that out. You need a graphics driver. Let's see what NVIDIA first. Oh, that's pricey as hell. No. So in those cases, no, go like highest price. I always do highest price, so I'll go to the lower ones. So next page. That's it? No, that doesn't make sense. It doesn't have what we're looking for. Before 10 series. Man, these laptops are pricey. Okay, this one's actually convenient. This one. This one might actually help you. As an i5 11 generation, 8 gigs of RAM. I would say this one for you. Cause we actually need to know how much specs, what's the requirement for this. Software requirements is always good. System requirements. Since if you're gonna use that program, okay, so it says here memory 8 recommended 32. Display card, an 8 gigabyte or a 2 gigabyte card. Okay, so in that case, wait. This is an no, then this only has the minimum. This doesn't have the requirements. If you're gonna use that app. $16. Specs of this one. i3. This is good. Okay, so yeah, I would go for this one. That's what I would go for, John. This one meets almost all the requirements that you need, depending on the program you want to use it. So for RAM, this is 32 gigs recommended, but it shouldn't have any issues. This one says has 16, so you'll have a little bit, almost complete to everything if you're trying to save up. So this will actually help you wonders. If that one doesn't convince you, then you can also go for, okay, I think this one as well. Let's see. Give me more specs. $16 gigs. Okay, this one actually has 6 gigs of memory. For GPU, the recommended they want is 8, but with basic you can do with 2. So it's in the between. So this one's also actually pretty nice and pretty big. Oh no, wait, not this one. This one as well. So honestly, it's really up to you. If your budget is not, if it's really reliable, then I would say this one. Oh my god, this is gonna take a while. I'll look it up then, I just want to let that can last, because my current HP is 8 years, i3. An i3? Well, that's actually not bad. You can actually make that laptop better if you try to use Linux. Problems with its case, oh, the hinges. I see, okay, gotcha. Well, if you feel that it's going slow, you could put Linux for an operating system, or upgrade it for storage. But since you want to use it for a program, then that part's not gonna work. Or for me, that old laptop, I would literally turn it into a server. That's what I would do. But yeah, if you have any other questions, man, just ask away. Oh, okay, if the body's not gonna last, but the motherboard is still good, if you really want to rock it out and make it even better, you can turn it into a server with using a Linux distro. Or even better yet, you can turn it into a NAS. True NAS. You can even turn it to this, a open source NAS platform. Yeah, it's not the best HP, but what you can do, since it doesn't have the best name, you can turn it into a NAS. And this type of NAS storage is open source. You can run shared drives, virtual machines, and built-in apps. So you can run inside this a media server, music player, anything that you really want with this thing. And the great thing about it is open source. Man, this is slow. Let's just give it a reset to the new laptop, kind of like honorable retirement, and use it for Netflix while the body lasts. Hey, that is convenient. Yeah, you could do that. That's a great way to put it as well. Do that. Keep using it for Netflix, server, storage, whatever uh, feeds your means. You can. Oh hey Mike, how's it going? You can running fast NVMe M2 SSD Gen 4. Well, yeah, that's true. If the laptop supports it. If not, you can get like an adapter. Oh, okay. Thanks for joining, John. You have a good rest now. You can even use an SSD adapter for NVMe. Basically, if your laptop has for SATA for SSD but doesn't have for NVMe, then you can use something like this. Here we go. This thing. Literally put in 2 slots of NVMe, and then you basically convert that to SATA. Awesome technology. And for the PCI Express, same thing. Extremely useful. Glad to see you again, Mike. Thanks for joining. I like having M2 SSD NVMe Gen 4 and Gen 5 super fast drive is adapter USB. Oh, that's convenient. I do have one that's a USB one, but it's a knockoff brand. It's not as perfect. It was really cheap. It was like $5 or $6. It works, but sometimes I have issues with it, man. I never. M2 Gen 5 SSD 4 terabyte. Yikes, you have a 4 terabyte one? No, I don't have one that big. Like all my SSDs or M2 connectors and storage are all 1 terabyte. I do have one system that is on a RAID. It's a mirror. So I think it only has like 500 gigs or a terabyte. I can't remember right now. I always do it as a mirror. That way, if one of them dies, I'll have all the data is copied on the other side. So I'm actually safe. Backup data your drivers. I do. I have a NAS on another computer that has around like 500 or 600 gigabytes as just backup storage. Let me turn this on a second. I need to check something here. Turn it on. Thank you. Is that still running? Yeah, okay. I like have a new laptop gaming and more than 64 gigs. You do, Mike? Well, that's a lot, man. I did have, some time back, I did have gaming laptops, but they die on me. I haven't got another one. I honestly switched from having laptops to I prefer like office laptops because they're more durable from what I notice. And if I want like a really something heavy for gaming, then it's gonna have to be a desktop PC. Nothing else. I really got frustrated with losing money on gaming laptops. Don't get me wrong, they work. But for me, since how I use them, I always messed up. I always messed them up. Running in Windows 11. I like Windows 11, the new version. But from what I've seen so far, there's issues with it. Not a lot of issues, but there's just issues. That it just makes me go crazy with all the issues that I have gotten into it. Like, don't get me wrong, it works like a charm, but for some reason, I always see something odd. Mr. Ticeful, hello again. I feel like you are a secret Indian, a Pujit. What? What the heck is a pre-cheat? Well, my Windows 10 did end, but if you use the if you want extra security, you could just upgrade Windows 10 to LTSC edition. This edition actually covers Windows. How many years is gonna be? This has extended support, and the extended support supposedly is gonna be until 2027. No, that can't be it. A puji comes from Indians enjoying excrement. They actually have a holiday where they pay. Oh, what the heck is that? Oh man, that's just crazy. Really? That's actually something of theirs? Oh my goodness. Windows 10 support. I know I saw it here. Oh, okay, here we go. LTSC edition. It's actually Enterprise LTSC. That's the full name. Windows 10 Enterprise LTSC. Support is gonna be until 27 January 12. So you'll have 2 years more of extra service. But I could have swore it said it was gonna be 6 more years. That's odd. Maybe they changed it somehow. You can shut this off. What's this? They said already. The Wally little pool. Oh my god. Man, Mr. Tasteful, I don't want to ruin my appetite with searching that. I think I'll literally ruin it right now. I ate something, man. Gosh, you're just providing me knowledge that I had no idea that they actually did that. That's just crazy. I guess everybody has their own culture thing in different countries. I can see the polls. There are now 5 votes, and the polled winner is still going to build a PC. People like that. Build a PC, it's better. Don't buy pre-built. Build it yourself and gain some traction out of it. Gosh, that's gonna take a long time with doing it like this. What's that? Buying a pre-built gets you a KF ship to save $30 and you get no integrated GPU. They're truly awful people to create. Well, yeah, in a way, yeah. Like, it really depends on the CPU that they put in the chip, the CPU. Because some CPUs have no integrated graphics. Like, if it's an APU from AMD, it's really sucks. Because if you don't, like, say you buy it and then you don't research the parts that you have and you do deep research, you're actually gonna notice that you bought something that you were like, oh, okay, this is pretty good, nice specs and everything, but say that you bought it and it has a really nice graphics card, but then you see the motherboard, the CPU, the RAM, the storage, it's all crap. So you're actually losing instead if you build your own parts. If you build it yourself, you might be winning more. But it's not for everybody. If you like a challenge, do it yourself. If not, then buy yourself a pre-built. Honestly, I am built a PC all the way, not pre-built. Now, did this browse on me? No, it did not. The only pre-built to build right now is the framework desktop or a mini PC. I actually have lots of very mini PCs and they're really really good. Framework desktop, I don't think I have heard of that one. I actually want to look that one up. Framework, I want to look that one up. Framework desktop. Framework or a framework desktop with Ryzen. It's the modular laptop company. They make a pre-built desktop with the striped halos. Oh wow, 128 gigs of memory. That's incredible. So this is framework. Okay, yes, I am a human. Desktop is a big computer made mini. Specs. Oh, holy crap, that's the actual size? 1,099. Build it yourself. Set up 10 minutes. Oh, so they send it to you with all the pieces and then you just gotta build it yourself? Integrated GPU. Wait, it has no GPU? It only has an integrated one? That's... It's an all-in-one solder motherboard CPU RAM. Flex PSU, you don't build it. Strip Halo is the magic. The integrated the GPU is 557 level. You didn't know? No, I did not know about this company. This I haven't even found out. Operating system, no, bring your own. Oh, I see. Solder. Don't get me wrong. I like computers that are everything is solder. Like my board is a mini ITX. But I just everything is solder, even the RAM. You know, that part I don't like the RAM thing, because I would like to say if it gets damaged or anything I can replace it myself, but it's soldered, that's gonna be a little more difficult. Front ports, that's nice. Oh, it has 2 ports, so I can connect 2 monitors, mainboard connectors, additional front pattern in the box. So the rank gets you 8,000. Oh my god, that's damn. That's high. That's really fast RAM. Holy crap. Shop parts. Fully modular. These are actually, wow, that's small. Memory. Oh, I do have one of these things. Ah, it's so good. So tiny, so convenient. DDR5. I think that's a quad channel or double channel. I don't remember right now. So the entire system is modular and you can even buy the parts. I like that. I really like that. That's so we wanna see shop for parts. The main board. Expansion slots, audio, display, this is convenient. I like this. Like they make their own system and they sell it. It's really modular. I really like that. Shop all, view all. Configure now. Ah, okay. Oh, it has 3 ports. That's pretty nifty. Eight core. That's really nifty. I'm gonna keep that in mind for next time. If I want to get something new, then I might get something like that. Thanks for that, Mr. Tasteful. what happened here? This crash? I think this crash. Oh no, did my Promax crash? Oh, I think it did. What happened to the Promax? No! No, Mr. Promax. What happened to you? Colonel Panic. Oh no, our Promax is dead. Let's see if we can try to revive it. Our Promax is dead. Oh no. Let's get it back up and running. Reboot. Force off. Start it up again. Come on. Come on. Tell me you're not dead. Tell me you're not dead. Oh, okay, wait, you're alive. Yes. Try that again, please. Oh, damn it. Come on. Okay, guys. I'm going to stop the stream here for now. I do appreciate everybody that has watched so far the stream. I will continue the next coming days. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your support, and thank you for everything else. Of just subscribing, liking, and just actually watching the stream and asking questions. I didn't think anybody was actually gonna ask anything, but I was wrong. So I really appreciate that. I hope to see you guys again on the next stream. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave any comments below if you want. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. You have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.